Alright, you guys, back from the market. Yes, I'm using a whole bath bomb. I could really just use half, but I'm just going to use a whole one. I have plantar fasciitis, so using the bath bomb helps me reduce the swelling and to help with just soothing the pain of it. I'm using the peppermint. You can see the oil. I think you can see the oil. Feels good.